Hello guys, here is lion face omen. Looks very cute, but in reality it is not. I made it with Photoshop. So what have to do? Here is one beautiful omen and here is one beautiful lion. So what have to do? I just copy this lion and paste on her face. Now start. I copy this lion. So what have to do? Control C. C means copy, and then I paste on her face. Then control again V. You can see the lion on her face. Now I like to move this picture, so I press again control T. T means transform. So I put on it. So I cannot see her face. How to see her face? So I just little bit make here. Here you can see, and you can see her face. Can see now. I adjust her face with this lion, and now you can do little bigger and little bit bigger. Hmm. And now you can do it. Now you can see it adjust almost her face. Now it's okay. Okay. Now I clean rest of picture. So what to do? I use here erase tool. You can see here erase tool. Okay, here is erase tool. I use erase tool and then clean rest of picture here like this way. Clean now. Looks very cute. Very cute. Now you clean rest of picture with no need. You clean, just clean smoothly. Okay, I smoothly clean here, here, here. Clean smoothly. Okay, you can see here. Here. Okay, now we almost done it. So you can see this omen. You can make it little bit clear, or you can do this way, whatever you like. Now we done it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.